Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can update our chats preform in SalesIQ. Let's go. So first things first, we need to go to our SalesIQ right here and click on the settings. Then look for the brand here under personalize. Click that. Then select your brand. Then in the flow controls, just select this part here. Here you can see under the forms, you have here the fields. So you can add fields like that. Or you can just remove fields by just clicking the delete. And here, delete. And so yeah, that's just it. If you want, you can just click add field, then drag and drop. You can mark this as mandatory if you want, right here. Click save. So if you notice, the email is now a mandatory field. Yeah, so that's it. That's just how you update your fields. You cannot add a custom fields, sure. So only these are the only fields you can have on your form. So let's go back to the chat. So to the C. So let me just minimize this one. Then let's go back to that chat area. So let's go back to the chat, and then let's remove one of the here. Let's remove the phone so we can get a better understanding. So here I close that, I minimize that. Let me rerun this. So here, if you notice, the phone in our form is missing, and then we have here, if we type this and send chat, we cannot exceed because the email address is required. So yeah, so that's just it. That's how you update or customize your preform for the chatbot. For the chat, for your web chat, or for your SalesIQ chat. So thank you for watching, and if you're looking for more how-to videos, just subscribe to the channel and click the notification button for more updates. Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you how agent can transfer chats to other agents. So first I have here the agent account. I am in my chat. So here I have here a customer, and then as an agent, let's say the customer, his problem is not in my department and it's to another department. What I can do is to transfer this chat to an agent. And how to do that is just we need to select this, we just need to click this icon, these three ellipses, like that. Then click on this transfer chat here. Then we can select the department. If we have more than one, we should be able to select that here, and then select the operator. You can add the note regarding what the issue of or the concern of the customer. Then just click transfer, and that the chat will be automatically transferred to the selected agent. So once again, just need to click this icon, transfer chat, choose the department, then choose the operator, and then optional, you can add a note, then click transfer. So that's it. Yeah, so if you like this video, please click share, like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up canned responses. So in our chat, there are a couple of ways to set up or create canned response. One is through chats here. You can just click this add canned reply, or you just go to this module, click this module canned replies, then click this add button, then add your canned message. Like that. Then let's click save. Then you have added your canned replies. Now let's go back to our chat. To access your canned replies, you just need to type the /, and here, just click on that, and then that's it. Do that more. Yes, if you notice, some of these canned replies, alright, let me just, canned replies have this name here that matches the user, the customer. What is that? It's a placeholder when we are creating the canned reply. So let's go back to the canned replies. Here, let's edit this. If you see here, there is a note here to type the percentage for the dynamic text suggestion. So that set here, you can select the visitor name, like the previous one. So let's save that. So if we go back to our chat, then select that, so you can see here hello, and then in the name of the visitor, like that, then save, then set. So yeah, so that's how you set up your canned replies in SalesIQ. Thank you. Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can enable file sharing in the chat. So the use case for this is that if the customer wants to share a file to the agent or the operator, they just need to attach that file into the chat. So to do that, we just need to go to the settings here. Go to the brands, select the brand. Just need to select the brand, then click on configurations, and then look for the share file. So here, just need to enable this, then click save. Then yeah, so that's it. So that's how you enable the chat. So let's try. Let's go here. You can see, and I have here the chat. Let me try to share a file here, like that. And share. There, the user was now able to share the file to the operator. So if you go back to SalesIQ, you can see here the file, which you can actually download. So yeah, so that's it. So if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more how-tos. Thank you.